Hello, welcome to my channel, Manifest channel. Today we shall be talking about an affiliate marketplace where we can sell different products online and make commission online. Today we shall be taking Warriorplus as a marketplace for any beginner to start. It's the best marketplace for a beginner to start making money online. So as we proceed, we shall look at what this marketplace. I've already signed in, I've already logged in. This is my affiliate listing. Then for you to know the top offers for the day, you just come here, marketplace, say top product for the day. To bring out the top products for today, yesterday, and a week and a month. So you know the trending products online. So that is it here. As we await, as we leave the thing to load, let's see what we have here. Look at the product we have here. We have 7-figure system launch. You have profit book, PLR site, your own PLR site with 2,500 products. So we can see if this is just the top 10. We want to increase it to top 25, then we see the top 25 products we can promote. And this platform here is not like any other platform like ClickBank or JVZoo that you can just click and you can promote. In order to promote this product, you have to approve. They have to approve you. That means you have to apply. Sometimes some vendors may reject your application. Sometimes the vendors will accept your application. So this is the product for the last for yesterday. This is the product making waves. Then this is the one for 7 days. You can see it here. Then this is the one for last 30 days. So it will bring out what is trending, what affiliates are selling, what is selling online. So for us to go and ask for permission to promote this product, then we go to affiliate, then we go to offers and click on the offers. So let's wait for this thing to load. You can see that this thing is loading. You can see here I have some request pending, request pending, get link. This one has been approved for me. Request pending. This one get link, it has been approved. Request pending. So I just sent this link. Look at the ones that have been approved for me here. You can see this one pending. That means they have not yet, but this one outrightly, the owner denied. So even if they did not allow you, you can check for other products you can promote. At least you can take select as many products. If you select like 10 out of the 10, 5 or 4 will approve you, then you are good to go. You can select as many products as you can. So you're not limited to one particular product. When the vendor does not allow you, please do not be downcast. So just keep struggling, keep it. Then let's say now this one has been approved. For you to be approved, what you just ask is request. For example, if I want to promote this product, I will just click on request. Then it will bring me to another page. Let's wait for it to load. So just wait now as this thing is loading. Let's wait for it to load. As it's loading, we can see here, they can show you the date this thing was released, the sales, the conversion rate. Conversion rate, you should understand what this thing is talking about from. If you sell like 100 visitors here, for the 100 visitors, 6% will buy. Here, 16%, 13%, 27%. That is a lot. This one 18%, 14%, 5%, 10%, 13%, and so forth and so on. So we see that these products they are good and the price is not too expensive for a beginner athlete So you can actually sell this product and make your cool cash. So this number one affiliate for your affiliate who is just starting, who wants to really scale online easily. You can easily sell from this product. And most of the products here is make money online and other products, softwares and other things here. That is basically what you can see here. There are other products, but these are the main products we have here. And they release different products day by day. So that you cannot be run out of product that you're asking yourself, which product can I promote from here? So so that is it. When you approve, like when I get to this place now, I look at it, say all approved only. Let me see the one I just sent yesterday. Let's see, okay. I have one, two, three, four, five, six. So six have been approved from the ones I sent. So if I want to promote any of these things, I can promote them. So I can promote them in such a way that I can get my commission. So let's say I have 50% from this place. If I promote this thing now, the average sale is 43 and I have 50%, then I'm getting approximately 21 point something percent here. If I'm able to sell like five that is $100 alone. And you can see 5%, if I'm able to send 100 persons here, out of which at least 5% should be able to buy. And from my 100 visitors, 5% buy, that is $100 already. So it's what I can easily promote. This one is 17. So this one is 17%. Although this one does not have a lot commission like that, maybe $1, but it does not still matter. Decide to send one person, they decide to buy this thing, you can make a lot of sale. So for you to get started, sign in is worldwide. You can be approved. Get your link. You can get started anytime. Fill in your dashboard. If you want to know the notification, you see the notification here. Check the notification. They will give you the deal of the day. Look at today now, deal of the day. Create high converting video sales machine in 5 minutes. That is the deal of the day. They always give you notification of what is happening. And so before I forget, let me quickly bring your notice to this. Okay, let's say let me go to my offers again. Let me say the ones that have been approved. Let's say we are making, okay, let's go with this one we opened before. Let's say we are requesting approval. I've requested for approval for this particular product before. So let me click on it. Okay, profit daring. Okay, you can see this place now. Allow vendor to contact me via email. You can unclick, you can untick this thing because when you leave it, the vendors will be sending you different emails. But if you want to receive an image from them on different products, you can leave it. But for me, I just only you can write anything here. Okay, the reasons why I want to promote this offer. Actually, you can also leave it blank. I just press request. I just press request. You see after a while, success. Your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified via email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. So that is just very simple to use. So that we can see if the request is not. So that is just the basic thing here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.